Welcome back to my channel. This time, I would like to share how I memorized English words efficiently and essentially. For native English speakers, what I will share here will be too obvious, but especially for Japanese people or people from Eastern cultures, for example, many of them are not familiar with this tip to learn English words. The tip I am talking about is knowing compositions of English words. Some examples of the common points in the compositions of kanji and English words, and knowing these examples may help you to learn more English words easily. I would show you the examples from kanji in this video because I am a Japanese, so if you are not Japanese or a person from a country not familiar with kanji, I hope this tip will still be helpful to find an idea to learn more English words efficiently and essentially. Regarding learnings of words in any languages, memorizing words blindly is so painful and not efficient. First of all, I want you to see two examples of kanji. The first kanji is this. This one means tear in English. Let me show you the composition in this character. It is composed with two parts. One is on the left and another one is on the right. Each part actually has the meaning. The left part is a symbol related to water, and the right part means eye. The eye with water. Yes, you can infer the meaning of this kanji, tear, easily. You can infer the meaning just knowing the meanings of these parts, although you have never seen this kanji before. The idea of the second example is pretty much the same. Yes, some kanji is composed with an upper part and a beneath part. The meaning of this one is to fill something with something, or to put foodstuff on dishes. The meaning of the upper part is like to become or to do something, and the down part is dish. Does it make sense? If you know the meanings of many of these parts of kanji, it is almost like you know a lot of kanji too. Then, how about English? Let me show you this example, uncomfortable. This word is composed with three parts which are an as cancellation, comfort as ease, and able as possible. So you could guess the meaning of uncomfortable if you know the meaning of each part. So, some English words and kanji have the common point that both are composed with some parts. Here are more examples of those parts called prefixes. I think some of you are familiar with these examples, but not much conscious about the compositions. I would recommend this tip, especially to the English beginners to learn English words efficiently and essentially. Another efficient way to learn English words is about considering parts of speech with the words. Here is what I mean. If you learn a word safety, for example, it is very sufficient to learn this word in different parts of speech at the same time because their spellings are similar and the meanings are essentially the same. The differences among them are just usages. So, understanding grammar is effective to learn English words. I recommend this way to learn English words because for me, the speed of memorizing English words got much faster in this way. The key, I think, is getting used to the changing patterns of these English words in different parts of speech and the combinations of prefixes and suffixes. What I am talking about grammar in this video is very shallow, but if you know it only this far, I think it is so useful already. I would paste some links to the websites referable about part of speech, so please check them out if you are interested. You will see some patterns of the form changes of some English words. Alright, that's it for this time. I will share more contents about other tips I got to learn English and Japanese too in my other videos I will create. Do you have any other ways to learn English, Japanese, or any other languages that make the learning more efficient? Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more of my contents if you would like it. See you in next video. Bye.